we've got to keep this Nicky momentum going. He's pulling uncommons and rares left and right. Like, it's just easy.
Epics.
You know, epics.
I am a champion.
Oh, my goodness, right? So we're going to keep momentum going. So let's go. Hand finger on the trackpad. Hand over the eyes. There's that. Oops.
Oops.
Go back. Okay, just put your finger on it. Eyes closed, move it around.
There, I'm done.
Look at that. Number 1. Let's pop that guy open. Your luck's got to run out eventually. If not, we're flying to Vegas tonight and doing some gambling. Okay. Done.
Go.
Get out of here with you!
Yes!
And you wanted to take him out of the package, so you managed to pull another one.
I told you I'm the best!
What is with you? Alright, here we go. Ready? Okay, let's watch. Here he goes.
I'm the best. I told you. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Oh,
Wow! Wait, look at his head. Look at the lava hood that he's wearing. Oh man. Look at that. Look at that. Wow.
I told you I'm the best.
Man, he is the coolest, huh? Amazing. Now, one thing we didn't check. Hang on one sec. 345. Ah, man. That was a low number. Maybe we should have kept that one. That's okay. Doesn't much matter. There he is. Let's see. Look at him. Now, imagine this. Imagine you wake up, or you just turn the corner, or you go somewhere, and you see this lava red Skeletor running at you. Would that be the most terrifying thing that could happen?
Yes.
Yeah, I think so.
Especially him in real life. Him in the cartoon, it's scary, but in real life, that would just terrify me.
Oh, look at him. Oh, man. Wow.
He's gonna make my nightmares.
He is. All right. Well, before you scare us anymore, Skeletor, we are out of here.
Look at that mad face he's giving me.
All right. We'll see you guys later.
Yeah.